Alright class, we're going to learn how to do a Marcel curl with Marcel curling iron today. So gather around, come up, I will show you.
Is this going to be effervescent?
Of course it's going to be effervescent. So what you want to do is take the strand of hair, come gather around, take the strand of hair, and you want to take it and you want to warm it up a little bit at the top, and you want to loop it around. Make sure everything's unlocked. Suddenly have a southern accent. Loop it around, click, 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 and then you want to make sure this little piece of hair stays out. Get it on the other side, loop around, click, click, click. She doesn't have a lot of hair, so it's cool. And then you want to keep looping. You want to hold it on for at least no more than 5 seconds.
Your hair smells good.
I know, doesn't it? It's just sugar pop. So, no longer than 5 seconds, you're going to burn her hair off. And it's nice and curled. It gives a nice little wave, and she's all set and good to go. So, we want to have a student come up and try and do this. So, Connie, your turn. No, 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 not that way.
Like this?
Like that. Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
Oh, make sure it goes around the other way.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
hard.
Oh, it's easy. You'll get to know it.
5 seconds, hey.
Yeah.
No more than 5 seconds.
It's not going around.
Now,
all the
make
way.
sure when you guys curl the hair that you make sure it goes opposite sides. You don't want it all going in one wave together.
Like that?
Like that, exactly.
A few moments later.
Let's see how it looks. Oh, Lord have mercy. No.
That don't smell good. It smells like a dead cat that just got burnt.
I will remember you.
Girl.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, girl.
Honey,
I'm sorry.
honey,
She's crying.
look at this. Look at this. It's dead. It's dull. It's stinky.
It's okay, girl. It's okay. We'll get your hair did. We'll get you all looking pretty. It's all good.
That's the saddest thing ever.